Welcome to a journey through time, where ancient wisdom illuminates the path of faith. Today, we delve into an inspiring Islamic story, rich with moral lessons and spiritual depth. These narratives, passed down through generations, offer guidance for our lives. They remind us of the power of faith, resilience, and the pursuit of knowledge. Our story begins in a land steeped in history, where traditions shaped daily life. It was a time when wisdom was cherished, and every challenge held a hidden lesson. The desert winds carried tales of courage, devotion, and profound spiritual journeys. In this setting, our protagonist emerged, a soul destined for a remarkable test. They were a person of humble beginnings, yet possessed a heart full of sincerity. Their life was ordinary, until a pivotal moment shifted their entire perspective. This story is a testament to the enduring power of faith in the face of adversity. Let us now journey into the heart of this narrative and uncover its timeless truths. The tale unfolds in a vibrant city, a hub of culture and intellectual pursuit. Scholars debated, poets recited, and life flowed with a rhythm of tradition. Our story setting is a testament to the golden age of Islamic civilization. Amidst this grandeur, a simple soul named Omar lived, a man of quiet devotion. Omar was known for his honesty and unwavering trust in divine providence. He sought knowledge, spending his evenings in contemplation and prayer. One day, a severe drought struck the land, bringing hardship to all. Crops withered, wells dried, and despair began to spread among the people. Omar, like many, faced the struggle of providing for his family. His faith was tested, yet he held firm to the belief in God's mercy. The city's leaders sought solutions, but none seemed to bring relief. The people grew restless, their hope dwindling with each passing day. Omar decided to seek guidance in the solitude of the desert. He spent days in prayer, fasting, and reflection, seeking divine intervention. He remembered the teachings of patience and perseverance from ancient scriptures. One night, as he prayed under the vast sky, a gentle breeze whispered to him. He felt a profound sense of peace, a reassurance that help was near. Inspired, Omar returned to the city, his heart filled with renewed hope. He gathered the people and urged them to unite in prayer and repentance. He reminded them that true strength lies in collective faith and humility. Together, they performed the prayer for rain, their voices echoing with sincerity. And then, a miracle unfolded. Dark clouds gathered on the horizon. A gentle drizzle began, turning into a life-giving downpour. The land rejoiced, and the hearts of the people were filled with gratitude. Omar's unwavering faith had guided his community through their darkest hour. The drought ended, and the land began to flourish once more. This story teaches us the profound lesson of trust in divine wisdom. It highlights the power of collective prayer and sincere repentance. Omar's journey reminds us that even in despair, hope can be found. His example inspires us to turn to faith during our own trials. The ultimate realization was that true strength comes from within, and from a deep connection with the Creator, through prayer and humility. This story, like countless others, is a beacon of light for humanity. It encourages us to reflect on our own lives and challenges, to seek solace in faith and to never lose hope in divine mercy. May these timeless lessons guide us towards a life of peace and purpose. Thank you for joining us on this spiritual journey. May peace be upon you.